Hey everybody, this is a quick video. If you have a Castle Serenity pellet stove and you're trying to set the clock, it's a real easy thing to do. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. All you got to do is go over to the control panel and you're going to press and hold the enter button. And when you press and hold the enter button, it will open this set data menu. And you can actually see the very first option in the set data menu is set clock. So you don't even have to toggle anything. Once the set data menu opens, you just hit enter again, and then it will open this set clock menu. Now, from this set clock menu, you just hit enter again, and it will highlight the hours, and then you can just toggle through the hours, and then you hit enter again, and it will automatically toggle over to the minutes. You can scroll up and down to toggle through the minutes and set the minutes. Hit enter again for the day of the week. Hit enter again. Set the day of the week. Set the month. Set the day of the month. Set the year. Hit enter again. And then once you've toggled through the whole thing, you're finished. Everything is set, and your clock is set. That's all there is to it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.